Hello, everybody. Welcome to my MTB crib. When you come into the front door, you walk right into the dining room. This room has a lot of cute details like the coffer ceiling and the crown molding throughout and in the hallway, which I think is a really nice touch. When you walk in towards the family room, there's this coat closet here on the left, very simple and to the point. And then you come into the family room. This area is one of my favorite areas in the house. I absolutely love the kitchen. It is just so modern, chic, and the living area is very spacious. When you walk in to the family area towards the backyard, there is a nice covered patio. I'm not exactly an outside girly, but if I was, maybe I'd put some furniture out here and hang out there. All right, let's take a walk through the kitchen. The kitchen, like I said, is one of my favorite areas of the house. Even though I'm not a big chef, I really love the appliances like the double oven and the gas stove. And of course, I can't forget about my butler's pantry. This was something I really loved about this house. And for some reason, I've always wanted. Then there's also this nice spacious pantry as well. And when you leave the pantry area, you're back at the front of the house in the dining room. So let's go check out the two rooms downstairs. To the right is the downstairs bedroom. I'm going to be using this space as my office space. So it's really spacious. I already have my desk set up in here and everything. And I'll use this closet for all of my desk supplies and whatever else I may need in my office space. When you come out from that bedroom, you do walk into the full bath. This is a really nice, modern looking bathroom, and I like that it's a full bath for guests. And I especially like the mud room. This area takes you outside to the garage, so you'll see my nice car, Goldie, hanging out in the garage. We're back in the family room now that we've looked at those areas. Now, let's go upstairs. When you get upstairs, you are greeted by this very spacious loft area. I plan to use this area as another living room. In the upstairs closet, I house a lot of miscellaneous items, particularly blankets and towels, but this is a really nice size closet. To the right of the loft is one of the bedrooms. This is my guest bedroom. It's a very nice size room for a guest bedroom, and it has a nice size closet in here as well. When you walk out of that bedroom, there is another full bath. This one has Jack and Jill sinks and a tub. Pretty standard bathroom, but this bathroom is shared between both bedrooms upstairs. And then there is like a closet for some additional storage in here. So this is the second upstairs bedroom. This room is being used for really my multi-purpose room. I've got some workout equipment in here, a day bed, and my hair and makeup set up in here right now. This closet is really deep and spacious. And speaking of spacious, my laundry room is really quite huge. So here's the laundry room. Got a lot of space in here and a sink for hand washing any clothes. And now the star of the show, drum roll please. To the left of the loft is the primary bedroom. This is my bedroom suite, which I absolutely love. This bedroom leaves little to be desired. You've got this nice sitting area over here. And then there is a very spacious closet in here. I mean, the closet is absolutely huge. I can fit all seasons of clothing in here. And I have a lot of clothes and shoes. So here is the primary bedroom closet. And the last thing I'm going to show on this empty house tour is the primary bath. Another one of my favorite areas in the house. I just love this bedroom suite in general. But the bath's got a nice tub and shower. You've got double sinks. You've got a closed bathroom kind of closet, so that multiple people can be in the bathroom at once. I really like that I was able to, select a lot of the look and feel in here, and I really love it. So that's it for this empty house tour. Let me know what you think, and if you want to know any more about the new construction home build process. Catch you guys next time in my next video. Bye-bye.
Live from freezing cold Charlotte, North Carolina to show you guys the progress of my new house. Yay!